How many million people in the world? 8 billion people in the world. And 8 billion people in the world, and everybody can say, I can kill anyone, I can rape, I can kill, I can steal, I can do anything. Why? Because my sin is already forgiven. Jesus already paid for my sin. If you make this law is the law of the country, all the people in the world, wala na, patay na lahat. Everybody will die. You can go to the supermarket, put all the grocery in your trolley, bring out. The guard said, where do you go? Payment. No, I don't pay. Jesus paid for me. Because he paid all my sin. So if I steal here, I don't need to pay. Because Jesus paid for my sin. Is this your belief? Is this your ideology? Teaching the people, do whatever you like you to do. Tubos na lahat. Even if you just born and they believe that your all sins are already tubos na. Wala na. Gagawin mo, rapin mo, patayin mo, ano gagawin mo, nakaw mo, lahat tubos na. What is this belief? If this belief become the law of the country, that country will be destroyed. Wala na. Nobody will be alive in this country.